So we've got our gorgeous chicken here. We're going to put it on our grill. What would be the skin side down is what I'm using. And I've kind of separated those little tenders from the breast, and later you'll understand why. It's going to help with our plating, making our plate a little more beautiful. Let's just turn this up a little bit. I'm going to cover the lid for a few seconds. So what I'm trying to get is a grill mark. We're going to do a thatched grill mark. Really easy to do. 2-3 minutes. We're going to turn that chicken about 30 degrees the other way for a thatched grill mark. Flip it over 2-3 minutes. Turn it again 2-3 minutes, and we're going to have perfectly cooked chicken. But again, if you were to just eat it like this, it'd be awfully dry. When we put it in our maceration, it's going to be heaven. I'm looking at the fact that this is becoming opaque. So it's starting to get white. So we know we're at a point where we're going to flip this. Our little tenders here, which is the inside of the breast, these are ready. They're nice and white. We're going to give these just a little additional flip. Now, if you're ever in doubt with a piece of chicken, I highly recommend, they're maybe $10, getting a little digital thermometer. Take that piece of chicken off, slip the digital thermometer in. If on a breast you're reading 160, you are there. If you're reading 180, you've overcooked it. And if you're reading 120, you're going to hurt somebody. But you can figure in time. I've done 2 minutes with one cross, 2 minutes with the other, flipped it over, 2 to 3 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes. All in all, it's about 10 minutes, maybe 12 at the most, if your breasts are thick. So it's an easy way to do it. So we've got our grilled chicken breasts. Now they still do have a little bit of moisture, but wait to see how much moisture they're going to have. Ooh, let's go. All right, our gorgeous marinades been in the refrigerator getting nice and cold. Our beautiful chicken's here. Now we're gonna put them together. Okay, we've got this really, really cold, our macerade. Remember we did this earlier. I'm just gonna take my chicken, give him a bath in the macerade. Ooh, yeah. Oh, baby. Okay, and I'm going to want to let them hang out in here for about 10 minutes. Make sure they're nice and submerged. And every once in a while, I'll come by and push them down. But what I would like to work on next is the dressing that we're going to put on our microgreens and the sauce we're going to make to dress the chicken.